Race is going to start here in 20 seconds. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. There's a big launch. You know, we got our great friends Tim Hortons as a partner of the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championships. The coffee's an amazing treat, but have you tried the Tim Bits? A lot of people call them donut holes, but they're called Tim Bits. So good. Available down in the concourse end. Tasty, huh? Like cake. You guys get some Tim Bits? You're good? Go ahead. I already had some on the way here. Here you go. Pass them around. I should have got more. 40 seconds in. Lots of time on the clock. Aerial Link, your leader after 1. He's inside the top 10. From earlier, trying to climb up that ladder to seat higher in our brackets. Your leaders at the Stitch It Up section now coming through the chicane. Boats come from our left to right over the test site hurdle, yawing. That gate for start finish gate. There he goes. White LEDs, aerial link onto lap number 3. At 38.6. Someone corrected me in the YouTube chat a while ago. That's arrow link. I keep adding letters. Sticks and stones on lap number 3. Don't break. On to lap number 3 as well. And Scheck Dog onto lap number 2. 20 seconds remaining. Aerial link at that Stitch It Up section in the middle. 15 seconds. We're going to get on to lap number 4. Lots of time. Chicaning out 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And it's good. White flag. 1 more to go. 3.3 seconds to spare for aerial link onto lap number 4. And there is the ding. Sticks and stones, you're done. 3 laps in 2 minutes 4. Personal best, but still in the number 8 spot. Your leader coming out of the tower over to the dive gate, still aero link from Rutgers. Don't break, you're done. 3 laps, 2 minutes 16, and you just broke the top 16. 3 laps, 2:16 puts him in 14th. Looks like 3 to finish up. Aero link, 4 laps in 2 minutes 34. Personal best, that has him in 6th. Still in about the same spot as he is, but a PB. Here on the final qualifier, get ready for those double elimination brackets that are so close to happening, so close. 1 to finish up. This is Captain Kerr working on lap number 2, having some fun over the final hurdle. It's a big yaw turn before the final gate for the start-finish gate. There's the start-finish gate lined up. We'll give him 2 laps in 3 minutes 13 for Captain Kerr. And that one is done. Heat number 2 is in the books. Biggest mover, don't break. Break in our top 16 with 3 laps, 2 minutes 16.